we're making peanut butter and then turn the peanut butter into peanut soup.
Okay, so we're gonna make peanut butter. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 cups of peanuts on our tray. So
are you gonna use a hammer? I have a question. Is there gonna be a hammer?
There's not gonna be a hammer. We're gonna put it in the blender.
No, I was saying, could this be a boom boom?
No. Okay, so we're gonna put it on here and we're gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 5 minutes. And then we're gonna come back, okay? What are we doing?
We're gonna put it at 350.
In the oven.
In the oven.
And then we're gonna come right back.
Okay.
Okay.
And I do this, see?
You're so silly.
I should put it so you get upside down.
Alright, we're gonna put the peanuts in here.
Mom, do you want you to do it faster?
To do what?
They are telling you to do it faster.
I'm not burning myself. And I'm already making a mess. Every good chef makes a mess, right?
Yeah.
Your puppy dog's eating the ones that fall on the floor. Okay, so we heated these up in the oven for 5 minutes on 350, and we're gonna put the lid on it. And then we're gonna make it creamier, right? What's your favorite ingredient to put in peanut butter? Is it the olive oil?
Is the other ingredient?
So I just put in about, what, 2 tablespoons? And we're going to put...
I say 5 teaspoons.
Well, this I know is 1 tablespoon. I put about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. Let's see how creamy it is, because we like ours creamy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to add another 2. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons in there about. Almost. I'm going to put another about 2 tablespoons. Well, let's make it another 4. So that'd probably equal about 1/2 cup of olive oil to 2 cups of peanuts. Still pretty hot. We're gonna let that cool down. And we're gonna put it in another jar. I'm gonna take about 1 cup out because she wants to make peanut soup. I'm gonna go ahead and measure 1 cup out. Which is probably gonna be the whole thing. We didn't add any salt to it because we used roasted peanuts and it already had salt on the peanuts. Let me see where we're at. I think we're pretty close to 1 cup. Right on the money. So this will be turned into our peanut soup. You can make peanut butter sandwiches, put it on bananas, whatever you like. Thank you for watching, and if you liked our show, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out our peanut soup recipe coming up next.